these are my full thoughts on the aluminum kite. So it is an extremely consistent flipper. It flips extremely similarly to my Bowie Kraken, but like a little bit lighter, so that makes it feel at home. Really nice, amazing balance. The jimping is outstanding, so it makes ladders really comfortable, along with the G10, and that involves Marinax ladder, Infinite ladder. The ladders are just really comfortable, like extremely comfortable. The chatters feel comfortable, like all the rollovers feel comfortable. Pinky Pop even feels good on this balisong. Parabolics are like literally gold standard type shit. Like parabolics like a Kraken, like, except not as flat. So it makes parabolic to tabletops actually really difficult on this balisong because it's very round. Not like extremely round, but like it's got a good amount of roundness to it. So, but it does most of like literally everything you ask it to do extremely well and proficiently. It came with a decent edge too. So yeah, this thing is just extremely consistent, fun to flip. It's budget friendly too. I paid $95 for this, so nice blade shape. Literally insane tune, like hella nutty. Yeah, it's just a really good balisong. And because of the weight and stuff, it's been helping me get better at ladders, because it's a nice comfortable weight, because it's a little bit on the lighter side. So yeah, I definitely really recommended this balisong. Sorry for the little yap video, but peace out.